Hi everyone. Now we are going to derive an equation for resistance. Resistance depends on length of conductor and cross-sectional area. R proportional to L and R proportional to 1 by L. So here R is common factor. So we can take it as a common factor. So R proportional to L into 1 by A. To remove this proportionality sign, we need to add a constant. So R equal to rho into L by A. Proportionality sign now it is equal because of this constant. Rho is known as resistivity. It is known as rho resistivity. What is resistivity? We are considering a conductor which is having area of cross section 1 meter square and length 1 meter. So it's a conductor which is having area of cross section 1 meter square and length 1 meter. What is the equation for R? R equal to rho into L by A. From this equation, we can find equation for rho. Rho is equal to R into A by L. And the value of A is 1 meter square, value of L is 1 meter. So it will be rho is equal to R into 1 by 1. So it will be rho is equal to R. The resistivity is the resistance if we are considering a conductor which is having unit length and unit area of cross section. Resistivity is the resistance of a conductor which is having unit length and unit area of cross section. Unit of resistivity. We know that equation for resistivity is R into A by L. The unit of R is ohm. Unit of A is meter square. Unit of L is meter. So ohm meter square per meter. This meter and this meter will cancel each other. Then rho is equal to ohm meter. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. V equal to IR. This is the equation of Ohm's law. Now we are going to derive another form for Ohm's law. So the equation for resistance is R equal to rho into L by A. We are substituting this equation here. So it will be V equal to I into rho L by A. Instead of R, we are using this equation. And I by A means it is the ratio of current and area. It is known as current density. It's very important. Current density is the ratio of current and area. It is represented by the letter J. So here I and A are there. So we can change this I by A by using this J. So it will be V equal to J into rho L. This I by A replaced by J. Current density unit is ampere per meter square. The unit of current is ampere, unit of area is meter square. So it is ampere per meter square. So now the equation is V equal to J rho L. If E is the magnitude of electric field in the conductor whose length L, we are considering a conductor which is having electric field E and length of the conductor is L. So what will be the value of V potential? V is equal to E into L. The equation for potential is E into L. Potential is the work done. Electrostatic potential. The equation for electrostatic potential is E into L. So these two value is, we are comparing these two equations. The LHS is equal, left hand side is equal, so we can compare the right hand side. So we can write E into L equal to J rho L. This L and L will cancel each other, then it will be E is equal to J into rho. Current density into resistivity. From this equation we can find an equation for J, E by rho. J is equal to E by rho. Rho is resistivity. And if we are taking reciprocal of rho, we will get conductivity, sigma. So rho is resistivity and 1 by rho will be conductivity, sigma. So we can change this equation, J is equal to sigma E. This is the another form of Ohm's law. Current density is equal to conductivity into electric field.